name's Dana Colbourne and I'm a registered midwife that's going to be working with Access courses online to support students that have decided to do an Access course to gain a place at university, specifically in healthcare, in a healthcare profession. I'm a midwife by trade and I'm really passionate about Access courses as it is the route that gave me the opportunity to become a registered midwife. So if you feel that you haven't got the qualifications, please reach out. We can help you with that. But also, you know, if you feel that you lack some confidence, that you can't do it, which is quite common when you don't have the right qualifications, it's a big step to take. But I promise you that you will absolutely get the support that you need to overcome some of those barriers. So my story is very similar to perhaps some of you in the fact that I didn't have the right qualifications to go straight to university. So I did get a job and for many years I worked within the Royal Navy, which was a fantastic career and I'm very lucky for that. However, I always wanted to be in the healthcare profession. After seeing my best friend have her baby, it dawned on me that I wanted to become a midwife. However, there was a few hurdles to overcome and one of them was the qualifications. So I undertook a Access course, which was the start of my journey. However, I was anxious. I was a little bit frightened because I was quite frightened to fail. But I remember a really good tutor saying to me, Dana, if you don't try, you don't know what you could achieve. And that really struck a chord with me. And I thought, actually, I've got nothing to lose. You know, if I don't do it, I won't become a midwife. But if I do, I may become a midwife. I really loved my Access course. I had amazing tutors. I met amazing people that actually went on to study midwifery with me and we're still friends today. It was a real positive learning journey for me. And I was lucky to gain a place at university and then go on to do my 3-year degree programme. At the end of my 3-year degree programme, I got awarded a first class honours degree. It was beyond my wildest dreams. And every time I think of that and now my career, because I qualified in 2004, I am forever grateful of the people that supported me through my Access course, but also the Access course, what it gave to me to prepare me for university as well. You know, it helped me think about writing. It helped me with some of the subjects as we covered sociology, human biology and psychology. And even today in my clinical practice, I still use and build on those tools that I gained from my Access course. So it has definitely followed me through my midwifery career. So what I want to say to you is please give it a go. You know, if you're really interested in becoming a healthcare professional, and we need you more than ever with the shortages we have in nursing and midwifery and our other allied health professions. But please reach out, inquire, we can answer your questions. But if you don't make that first step, you will never know what you can achieve. Well, I'm going to sign off for now, but please have a think about it. You know, we're here to answer your questions and you've got nothing to lose. Thanks very much. I hope to see you perhaps on the course in the near future. Thanks very much. Bye.